Morning, my name is Blair McNeil. I'm from the Madison group. It's Saturday, June the 15th, and we're celebrating a significant milestone with our project with the installation of our first of 2 tower cranes. So they've completed the installation of the tower section of the crane, and the turret is now mounted. They're currently putting on what's called the backstay, and that's what helps retain the weight that goes out on the boom. At the bottom of the crane, you can see we've done our first significant concrete pour. This is actually the east tower elevator core. We're basically complete the bulk excavation of the job. The only thing that's left is the removal of the ramp behind us. That's going to start in the next week or 2, and it will take about 2 weeks to remove in total. The waterproofing is actually, it's a new material, never been used in North America. So it's a bit of a learning curve for the trades, but it's going in as per specification. What's unique about it is it's got a linen coating on the back of it, and that linen is actually impregnated with a material that when the concrete is placed against it, there's a chemical reaction between the two, and then the two almost become as one. You can't separate the membrane from the concrete without tearing it. So it gives us a very impermeable membrane on the outside of our concrete. So you got a big hammer? This crane will be operational and ready for the site to use it on Monday morning. I'm Blair McNeil from the Madison Group.